Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this channel, I share Canva designing tutorial, awesome Instagram tips and tricks, and website development with WordPress. If you are interested in all these topics, then subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon, so you will know when I exactly post a new video. Hello friends, today we are going to learn how to add amazing characters illustrations using Canva for free. We will also add fun elements to the character. Stay tuned till the end. Look at these awesome illustrations. Let's get started. Let's add a new page first. On the left-hand side, you will find templates, photos, and many options. Scroll down a little more. Now click on the More option. You can find options from these or simply search Pixton in the search box. Click on this icon. You will find the Use the button at the bottom. It will take some time, and here you go. You will find so many amazing illustrations here. To find the particular character, the way I am going to show you in a bit. Type keyword in the search box, you will get many options. Let's add animation to the character. Hope you enjoy this small tutorial. Check out some other amazing Canva tutorials.